everyone, and welcome back to another design video. In this video we're going to be creating a mood board for a jewelry brand. We're going to be going over things like what is a mood board, why is it important, and how to make one. So make sure to stick around to the end of the video. First of all, we're going to be going over what is a mood board. A mood board is a visual representation during your design process to enable you communicate your design ideas and visions to the client. The jewelry brand that we're going to be working on today focuses on lab-grown jewelry. So the first thing we need to do is create a Pinterest board based on the brand strategy for the business. So let's take a look into the various components you must consider when creating a Pinterest board. The first thing we need to consider is the imagery. Images you add to your board should contain things that easily identify what the brand does. As you can see here, I've included images that's all about jewelry, the different kinds of jewelry that also has the color of the brand, which is blue, red, and green. The next component is typography. So depending on what fonts you want to go for the brand, you also need to include those type of fonts in your Pinterest board. As you can see in my Pinterest board, there are different kinds of sans serif fonts because that is the style and that's the vibe I'm going for the brand, so as to give like soft, luxurious kind of feel for the logo. Next component I need to consider is also the color. Like I said, even in the images and the jewelries, I inputted the different kinds of color that we're going to be using for the brand. Now we know what creative direction we're going for in our Pinterest board, let's dive into creating the actual mood board for the brand. So now you go into your Adobe Illustrator to create your mood board. This is where we're going to just drag in the images we're going to be using inside Illustrator. Okay, so I think the images are enough. So now that we have all the images we're going to be using for our mood board, we're going to start placing them in over here. Come to this part and put arrange, send to back, to select the image and also the square you want to put it in, and make a clipping mark. See, that's how it looks. Next, do it for the next image. Arrange, send to the back, select both of them, make it clipping marks. So I'm just going to split this up because it's going to be the same thing throughout.